Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you some desserts from a new cafe that I found. So let's get started. So there is this shop called Otakus. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's a Japanese store near where my dad lives, and I've gone once or twice, and it has a lot of like Japanese stuff and K-pop stuff. It has a lot of BTS stuff, so you know that I gotta get there. And they've recently opened a cafe, so I went there to get a couple of stuff. So here you go. That's Nutella filled. Tastes like Nutella filled waffle. Ten out of 10 will get it again. Okay, let's try the cinnamon roll macaron. Just tastes like a churro or a pretzel. Okay, now we're gonna try the cookies and cream totoro. Just like any other cookies and cream. It's good. Actually, it tastes a little bit more funfetti than cookies and cream. My sister got it right. The Totoro ones actually taste like birthday cake. And then the last one is the Kiromi chocolate / Nutella one. So let's see. Good. Tastes like hazelnut. Not Nutella, just hazelnut. Last thing is the rainbow sugar cookie. Oh, this is hard. This is really hard. Doesn't even taste like a sugar cookie. I don't even know what it tastes like. More like a shortbread. More like a shortbread cookie. Not bad, but not what I thought it was going to be. I'll still eat it though. Okay, so at the end of the day, I liked the actual stuff made in store at the moment. You know, like the Taiyaki, I think it's pronounced. I'm sorry, I'm pronouncing all that wrong. Which is that little like pastry. They do them there. I had to wait about like 8 minutes for mine because it was done right there in front of me and filled with Nutella and everything. So that was really good. The brown sugar milk tea boba is amazing. It's one of the best I've had. Now, the macarons, how you pronounce that, and the cookies, they're okay. They're not the best, they're okay. So I'd rather just go there and get some stuff freshly done. I cannot wait to get there and actually get the one that's shaped like a fish filled with Nutella and ice cream. I just had to leave that day. I was in a time crunch, so I couldn't get that one. I had to get to the to-go, which is smaller. And it was just really, really good, and I cannot wait to go back. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give the like button so I like videos like this. Click the notification bell to get notified when I post, which is weekly on Thursday. and click the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what else you like. I'm gonna try, if I remember next time I go, to take a video of the actual store, because I know that the cafe has a full-on different name and it's on the very back of the store, so I'll take a video of the whole store next time that I know, so you guys can come along. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye guys.